Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to unlink Facebook from Instagram. Friends, if you want to unlink your Facebook account from Instagram, then you need to open Instagram app in your mobile phone. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now press on the three lines. Now press on account center. In account center, press on manage account. Now here you will find the option to remove your Facebook from Instagram. Now press on remove. Now here after reading, press on remove account. Now here after reading, press on continue. Now here again after reading, click on yes, finish removing. Now click on OK. Now your Facebook account is removed from your Instagram. So friends, like this you can very easily unlink Facebook from Instagram. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.